When you store your brushes, hang them with the bristles facing down, keeping them in good working condition. I just stick mine up on a pegboard when I'm done. I hang them facing down up on a pegboard and I leave them. They've always been fine. But some people like to save their wrappers that the brush came in, and that's a good practice, especially if you don't have a way to hang your brushes in a fashion that's going to keep them in good condition. Wrap them up in the container that they came in, and then you can put them in your toolbox or whatever, and you're not going to be concerned about the bristles getting damaged. I know some of you are wondering what is this blue on my brushes? Well, that's just the thing that I do is I label, like you can see this brush says OP on it. That just means oil paint. And I label my brushes so that I know what I use them for. And the reason I do that is I don't like to use the same brush for multiple types of finishes. I like to have a selection of brushes that are just for oils and a selection of brushes that are just for water-based. And so because I like to have my brushes like that, I roll that tape around there. That's all that is. It's just some duct tape. I roll that duct tape around there and I label my brushes so that I can keep track of what I'm using each brush for. So that about wraps up this week. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check back in next week when we'll go over solvents and paint, how we store it, how we dispose of it. That's very important, so be sure and check back in with me next week.